Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter human capital formation, that is education. What is the role and importance? Education refer to the process of improving the knowledge and developing the skill through the process of teaching, training and learning. So it is much wider concept. The literacy, literacy refer to ability to read, write, while education aim enhancing one literacy refer to ability reasons make sound judgment. It include primary, secondary and higher education. It play the important role in the development of human resources. मीन्स एजुकेशन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज और इट इज़ द प्रोसेस है इम्प्रूविंग द नॉलेज डेवलपिंग स्किल थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ टीचिंग ट्रेनिंग एंड लर्निंग. And literacy also refer to read or write, while education aim to enhancing one's ability to reasons make sound judgment. So education prepare people for even ever charging situation by developing the appropriate value aptitude test knowledge skill, and it help in the economic development through the greater participation of the in the process of growth and development. We learn from history that the role of education has always been an important factor in the development of nation. So the main task of education development of human resources. General education raise the level of understanding of the people, and technical education make the significant contribution in raising the efficiency and productivity. Similarly, the medical education improve the health of the people. So education generate the consequence toward the social economic development of nations. It promote the rational and scientific outlook in finding the solutions of problem faced by the country. It enable the people to make the better choice in life, providing knowledge to understand the charge change taking place in the society. Beside this, education simulated culture creativity facilities. So education regarded as an important input in development of the uh, all these regions. Suitable comprehensive education essential for development of the country. Expenditure on the education means as a percentage of the total government expenditure, which indicate the importance of education in the scheme thing before the government. During the period 1950 to 2014, the expenditure increased from 7.9 to 15.7%. Aggregate public spending on education during the 11th period is estimated around the some amount money across crore both the center and state taken place. This reflects the being given to the education sector by the central government as a percentage of GDP, which reflect the income spent on the development of education in the country. The total expenditure was just 0.64% of the GDP 1951 to 52. It rose to 3.5% of the GDP in 2004-5 to 4.13% of GDP in 2014. Thereafter, it declined to the 12.2.4% in 2015 and 16. Increase again 2.6% of GDP in 2016 and 17. Increasing in education expenditures has not been considered over the year. There has been irregular rise and fall. Thank you.